So, as pediatric rheumatologists, we use a lot of biologics. So, let's discuss and simplify what biologics are and how are they made and how do we use them. Biologics are basically biotechnology derived immunomodulators which help in reducing the pro-inflammatory cytokines. तो बेसिकली जब भी कुछ एक्टिव इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है, क्रॉनिक इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है, सो देर आर सम स्पेसिफिक प्रो इन्फ्लेमेटरी साइटोकाइंस सच एज TNF alpha, IL-1, IL-6 which increase, and that is what the biologics try to reduce and shut the inflammation down. Now biologics are actually called B DMARDs, जैसे DMARDs होते हैं methotrexate, mycophenolate, sulfasalazine, etc. Those are called conventional synthetic DMARDs. So when the conventional synthetic CS DMARDs fail, that's when we start using the biologics or the B DMARDs. Now to understand how they are formed, it's very important to understand the immunoglobulin structure. तो बेसिकली एंटीबॉडी जो होती है हमारी, जिसमें बिकॉज कॉमनेस्ट आर द मैब्स मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन स्ट्रक्चर फर्स्ट. तो जो एंटीबॉडी स्ट्रक्चर होता है उसमें हैवी चेन और लाइट चेन होती है. जो ऊपर का सेगमेंट दैट्स द एंटीजन बाइंडिंग, और जो नीचे का एंड दैट्स द वेरिएबल सेगमेंट, वेरिएबल रीजन, और नीचे का होता है कांस्टेंट रीजन और द FC region, and the ऊपर का is the FAB region. When a biologic is made, there are 3-4 types. One is chimeric, one is humanized, and then there is human MAB. Chimeric क्या होता है? जब 70 to 80% human है and 20-30% mouse derived है. Then there is humanized, in which there is around 10% mouse derived and 90% human. And then there is complete human, which is for example an adalimumab. तो जो chimeric वाले होते हैं, they have the letter XI. So for example infliximab, rituximab. So those are murine derived or mouse derived. Then we have humanized, which have the letter ZU, zumab, like tocilizumab. तो ये होते हैं ह्यूमनाइज्ड, एंड देर आर ह्यूमन लाइक मुमैब्स, अडालिमुमैब, गोलीमुमैब, एट्सेट्रा. Then we have the B cell blockers like rituximab, and then we have something called as the IL-1 blocker called anakinra. So we use biologics in situations such as a resistant juvenile arthritis, resistant uveitis, inflammatory bowel disease, some neurological conditions such as fires and ITES. Sometimes we also use them for autoinflammatory or genetic problems.